Good morning, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, the weather guy, bringing you your Manic Monday weather update. And we have a major weather event occurring today and into Tuesday for much of the area north of Trenton, north of New York City. Um, this will be a very significant nor'easter, especially in New England and New York State. So, the National Weather Service has issued this this event summary, and for the most of the area, um, it's going to be a rain event, but above I-80, as you can see here, it will be mostly snow with heavy snow rates around 1 inch, um, an inch an hour. So if you live north of there, you're commuting to work. You're going to take the New Jersey Turnpike or Pennsylvania Turnpike. Just be wary of what's going to be occurring in that general area. So um, the other part of this is the winds. There will be strong gusts up to 40 to 50 miles per hour. Mostly in our area, the winds will be about 30 miles per hour, give or take, um, a few miles per hour gust wise. So, and those areas along the coast, of course, will have to be wary of flooding, minor coastal flooding. There isn't a full moon. We've just gone past that. So that's not a major concern with this event. So what is occurring here is we've got two systems. We have this primary low back here in Ohio and Indiana, and it's going to link up with a ocean low out here in the Atlantic. Now, various models have had this system being caught earlier, but either way, this would not bode well for us. First of all, the track of this upper level low would have to dig deeper, and this ocean low would have to jump off further south. Okay, if that were the case, this would be a real humdinger for much of the area. It turns out that uh, as the storm is rolling and as it picks up momentum, the the air columns will become much colder with winds coming down from the north and winds coming down from the northwest. Um, but as the social low wraps up, it won't wrap up until it's well above New York City and then Cape Cod before it turns out again because of the block. So if this formed further south, like somewhere right here, and then moved up the coast like this, then more cold air would have been wrapped around the system. But this upper level feature would have to have dug deeper because when you have a cutoff low like here, areas roughly 90 to 120 miles north of that upper level feature um, turn out to have the most significant precipitation. So, we're missing out on this again, but it is March and the temperatures are marginal. So you can see how this whips around. It's a pretty good piece of energy, but our effects here will be mostly rain, but once this system wraps up and starts to circulate back down the coast, we could have flurries at the end. We could have possible snow showers. We could have a burst of snow that produces a quick dusting uh, on grassy surfaces. So this is not a real wintry event for us. So um, that's about it. This will be this will impact our travel, and this will impact things down here, but not as much. If you're, I would say, if you're north of this line, you will receive mostly snow. Um, the only area of the question is how much Boston will receive, and they're kind of like on the border as we all are when it comes to these major snowstorms. But of course, the cold hangs on longer there. Okay, so that's it for me. Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, saying adios. Have a great day.